Hello guys, what's up? What's up? Presenting to you my new harvest from the nature. We are in the beginning of August and the blooms last spring started to be dried, and I don't want them to spoil their beauty. I want them to be preserved. So I took them home, and these are my harvest. Naturally dried flowers, plants and grasses, and foliage. Call it a 1970s throwback or the latest craze in the maker movement. But dried flowers are back in a big way. So there off I go to the nature, and I have so much fun picking all these dried flowers. I don't even know yet each one of their names, but I've been so in love with them ever since. This is one of the gorgeous one. Looks like a sunflower. I have to really know what's the name of this. I don't know. If you know the name, please comment in the box below and tell me more about these plants, because I don't personally know them. I just know that they are beautiful and they're lovely to collect, like these ones. Of course, some of them I knew, but not all of them. Yes, this is the lilies, and they are really perfectly dried by the sun. You know, dried flowers are really perfect accent to wreaths, long-lasting bouquets, or other decorating projects. And also on boohoo weddings, the bride is using them as their bride's bouquet. So yeah, on my next video I'm gonna tell you some of the names of these babies. They look so gorgeous. Wait until I'm gonna be painting them in different vibrant colors. As of now, what I'm gonna show you is how I harvested them, gather them together, tie them together, and put them in one basket, in one bunch. Even by then, you would see the beauty of it. Please watch until the end of this video, and you're gonna see how it looks like for them to be together. And watch out for my next video showing you how they're gonna be look like when they're all painted, and we can use them in whatever bouquet that we want to create. I hope that by watching my video you will be inspired to collect your own dried flowers and grasses, which is very useful, and also it's such a very good, very nice way to preserve nature. So yeah, these are some of my collections, and I had so much fun gathering them together, and I was so amazed how nature is so gracious and so rich, so lovely beauties that I wanted to preserve. Each one has its own beauty, and on my next video I'm gonna also show you how I would dye them and paint them with vibrant colors. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please, if you have suggestions, informations, questions, feel free to leave your comment at the comment box. More power to everyone. God bless. Have a nice day. I am so happy to find these lovely star shapes flowers, and also this very dried center of a flower, which I don't know yet the name. But it's so gorgeous. I want to take them home. And yeah, so I am so blessed and happy to find them. And in this spot, you could hear the songs of the birds. Yeah, and there's my collection.